Hi guys, sitting in the car, going to do another dinosaur construction kit. So you will be on the bracket attached to the steering wheel. Triceratops. It's actually quite cold in the car, so I've got my jacket on. My fingers feel pretty cold too. There'll be two versions of this, or at least I'll do it fast forward at the beginning of the video and then normal speed, so you can see the finished product straight away in the fast forward version and decide whether you want to sit and watch it go all the way through the normal speed one. Oh, rude words. I just did number 1, 2, 3. Number 1 or number 4 instead of number 1. That's number 1. Trying to rush it. Don't need to rush it. I should have plenty of time. Right, which one should we do today? Well, first one that came out, Triceratops. It's actually quite cold in the car, so I've got my jacket on. My fingers feel pretty cold too. Right, where's number 1? Just there. Okay, I can see number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Oh, number 1's right around there. Right, off we go. There'll be two versions of this, or at least I'll do it fast forward at the beginning of the video and then normal speed, so you can see the finished product straight away in the fast forward version and decide whether you want to sit and watch it go all the way through the normal speed one. Right, so that was 1-to-1. 2. Because we don't know which side number 2 should be on. We'll put them on that side, and if it doesn't look right, we'll swap it over. Number 3. Well, that does look right. Okay. Haven't got my glasses on. Number 4 up there. Oh, rude words. I just did number 1, 2, 3. Number 1 or number 4 instead of number 1. That's number 1. Trying to rush it. Don't need to rush it. I should have plenty of time. Right, that's number one. How did I manage to do that? So that's number 4, not number 1. I wonder if there was actually any difference. Five and 6. I got these all wrong. Good gosh, Grandad, what are you doing? Just not paying attention. Yeah, I got them all wrong. Got the leg, one front leg and one back leg there. And looking at that picture, we probably want those two swapped over. Because it's showing the right leg at the back. Yeah. Okay, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even though I did them all wrong. That's number 7. Number 7 is going to go just there. A bit of a tight fit. It's number 7. Oh, it's showing it going. No, they definitely go between there. Right. Okay, that's number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Yep. Number 11. Number 11. Where does 11 go? On the back of his head. Number 11. Double check, yes. That's number 11. Number 12. That one. A woman just parking next to me. I just looked up horrified because she was about an inch away from the front of the car. She's pulled out and she's having another go. She's all over everywhere. She's in now. 13, yep, 12, 13, 14, 15, that little piece there. That's his neck bone. It's going to go in there. And in there. And there we are, finished. Triceratops. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.